Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. If you are new to my channel, my name is Big Ben, and I am a professional investor, professional trader. I trade the futures markets Monday to Friday, day trade it, and I also invest in the crypto world. And in my channel, I talk about how to read the charts, how to take advantage of patterns that's on the charts, so you can actually make money. That's how I make money. I read the charts. I take advantage of different patterns that repeat themselves over and over and over. So if that's something that you want to learn about, definitely hit the subscribe button. And I welcome you to the channel. Now, during this live stream, of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. So let's get this party started. So if you are new to my channel, then you probably don't know that since March, I've basically been telling my subscribers we are in a bear market, and ever since then, basically, well, recently I would say, 2 weeks ago, me and my subscribers basically been shorting the market and making money. So if that's something new to you and you never really thought about that, definitely stay tuned. You will definitely learn a lot, because there's different ways to make money. So let's get this party started. Let's see who's in the chat room. What's going on, Keith? What's going on, Polestar? What's going on, DCY? All right, Polestar is first in the building. And like I said before, if you're new to my channel, I like crypto just like you like crypto. You know, it's just that we are in a bear market. So as a professional, I have to make money. So it's not me. It's not like I want the market to be bearish. I mean, it's just how the market works. So it's going down right now, so I'm taking advantage of it, meaning that I'm making money. Because if you know anything about bear markets, they last a long time. So we right now we are just looking at the markets. I'm gonna go over a couple of charts. Wait to more people come in, and we're gonna go from there. So let's see what's in the chat room. What's going on? What's going on? All right, Tino, Mike, what's going on? All right, what's going on? MD, what's going on? MD Fap. MD Fab say buy. Why do you think you should buy right now, MD Fab? What's going on, Tech? So like I said before, if you're new to my channel, if you are losing a lot of money, because I know a lot of people are losing money, if you want to change the way you think, you can actually start making money in the bear market. You have 5 more months left in this year. So it's up to you if you want to change the way you think. So let's get this party started. Let's see who's in the chat. What's going on, Rajel? Oh, okay. MD said, just kidding. I hear you. Michael Hangover just had surgery, Ben. What's up? So Michael Hangover just had surgery. Shout out to Michael Hangover. I hope everything's okay. I hope the surgery went well, and I hope you get well soon. So shout out to Michael, man. Businessman, what's going on? Sanders, what's going on? All right. Andreas, what's going on? Andreas Copeland. I'm glad to see everybody's here. Deleted account. What's going on? A deleted account said this is a massive pullback, a trap. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It looked like a trap, man. Crypto investing. What's going on? Crypto investing. You can short with jaffx.com. I don't, Henry, what's going on? So MD Fab says, any way to figure out the bottom? No, it's very hard to figure out the bottom. And at this point, I'm not even worrying about the bottom because we are making money while Bitcoin is going down. So MD Fab, are you new to my channel? F45, what's going on, man? Yes, yes. So you said you had to wait months. Why you have to wait months, businessman? What is it that you can't show them? Only thing you had to do was, businessman, is show them a bank statement and a license. I think all exchanges want that. They want a bank statement or some type of proof of address. So businessman, you don't have proof of residence at all? Businessman, I use my bank statement. The bank statement works. I use my bank statement, businessman. I use my bank statement and it works. Yeah, they wouldn't accept it because you probably did you do a screenshot, businessman? Did you do a screenshot? If you do a screenshot, they won't accept it. It has to be the whole statement, businessman. So let's get this party started. What's going on, left lane? What's going on, hall? All right. Yeah, I think you could use it. I think so. I have a crypto invest and I haven't checked it yet. So let's get this party started because I know the people in replays like, what's going on? So let's get this party started. I'm glad to see everybody in. Ken, what's going on? Moreau, what's going on? All right. So let's get this party started. So yesterday we had this. The market basically broke this low. Right? And we had this big retracement. Now, if you know anything about the market has pullback. So you can't expect the market just go straight down, like a straight line. It has to have pullbacks. So what we're seeing right now is the market pulling back. And, basically we have a lot of support right here. So I definitely expect the market to pull back around this area because it's the support area. But at the same time, we are in a bear market. Nothing changed. Everything's intact. The market is still going down. No real buyers. If you notice, if this is a real bottom, more buyers will basically, more buyers would have actually bought this market. So let's go to the Bitcoin volume, right? So let's go to the chart and let's look at yesterday's. So yesterday's was $4 billion. So that big buy was $4 billion. And when we had that sell, which was maybe 2 days ago, it was $5 billion. So the sellers are still in control because the buyers was only 4 billion when it came to volume. So this tells you a lot. The numbers, like I said, the numbers don't lie. That's why I love to read the charts. The numbers don't lie. The bias is not in. This is just basically regular movement in the chart, basically support. So just a little buyer stepped in. Of course, it looks like a trap. I hear a lot of YouTubers saying, "Yo, this is it." A lot of people are trying to buy, but if you are new to this, guys, be careful out here. Be careful. Don't try to time the bottom. Don't try to time the bottom. You said it was an E statement. If you can, businessman, print out a bank statement in PDF form and it should be good. Don't give them a screenshot, because that's what I did. I gave them a screenshot at first, and they didn't accept that. But I just did another one, PDF, the whole statement, and you'll be okay. So Keith said, Keith said, hit the likes. Yes, guys, hit the likes. What's going on, Glenn? So let's go to the 4 hour real quick. All right, let's go to the 4 hour. And we see that basically this big, huge bar right here, right? And I know a lot of people that are bullish right now. They are, you know, they probably are happy right now. But we saw this in the past, guys. We saw this in the past. So my question to you is, how many times do you have to lose money to realize what's going on? How many times do you have to lose money to realize that the bears are trapping you? I was listening to a video today, and some guy was like, most of my subscribers are telling me that they are out of money because they are, you know, they trying to buy the dip. Every time the market's going down, they buy the dip, so they can't buy no more. They out of money. And I talked about this a couple of days ago or yesterday, that you can actually go broke in the bear market trying to buy every dip. Now, buying dips are okay, but it's only okay when it's a bull market. That's why it's very good to educate yourself, learn how the market works, because once you start to buy bottoms in the bear market, you will lose a lot of money. So let's go. Let's go. This is the 4 hour chart, right? Buying like crazy. If you see this, if you are a rookie, if you don't understand what's going on in the game, and you see buying going on, automatically you would think that the market's going up. So buying is going right here. Oh my gosh, I have to buy right here. Right? You get stopped out. You see buying right here. You say, oh my gosh, you see this big bar? Let me buy this. You get stopped out. Here, another big candle right here. Oh my gosh, I gotta buy this. This is the one. I know this is the one. You buy it, you get stopped out. You see another big candle right here. Oh, this is the one. I know it. I talked to my favorite YouTuber. He got 100K subscribers, so I believe him. I know he knows what he's talking about, so I'm gonna buy this one. Buy it, you get stopped out. Buy this one, nice looking bull bar, you get stopped out. So the question of the day is, how many times do you have to lose money to realize that whatever you're doing right now is not working? And the only reason why it's not working is because you're trying to use a strategy that works in a bull market, but it doesn't work in a bear market because the sellers are in control. Now we have another situation. You see this? You see all this buying right here, all this buying right here. People bought this, they get stopped out. So we have another situation right here. A lot of people saying, "Oh man, I can't believe it. This has to be the bottom." So it looks like sellers is coming in. I don't know if this thing's gonna roll over today or tomorrow or next week. But everything is still intact. The sellers is still in play. We are in a bear market. And if you know anything about bear markets, it lasts for minimum like a year and a half. This thing might last more than that though. I'm just saying minimum year and a half. We are going on the 7th month of this year, July. So if you want to figure out how to play the market like a professional, like the rich, then you have to suck it up. Be honest with yourself. Tell yourself, listen, man, I don't know everything. I'm learning. You know, I came in this crypto market maybe last year or whatever. I don't really understand the charts that much, but I'm learning, and I want to be honest with myself. I don't really know anything, and I'm willing to learn because I'm tired of losing money. If you are, you know, if you can actually become that person, then you will be okay, because now you can actually switch your thinking and start to realize you can actually make money now. And the way you can actually make money now is by going in the other direction, which is going short, right? And going short is not a bad thing. People think it's bad. People think if when you go short, you're going against cryptocurrencies. You're not going against cryptocurrencies. You're not. Let me explain something to you. The market is going to go down regardless if you don't want it to go down. It's going to go down, and you can't do nothing about it. I can't do nothing about it. Nobody can do nothing about it. This is how the market works. We have bull cycles, we have bear cycles. So instead of trying to complain about it, you can actually join the party, make money, because at the end of the day, I think people are here to make money. So at the end of the day, if you are about making money, because if you invested money into cryptocurrencies, I'm quite sure you want to make money. So if you are about making money, then you will basically consider or try to learn how to make money when the market is going down. So right now, if you look at the chart, it's a possibility that by the end of this week, this thing could continue to go down. So you have to ask yourself, how many times are you willing to lose money? How many times are you willing to say, there's no way that Bitcoin could break this low? There's no way Bitcoin could go to 5,600. There's no way Bitcoin could go to 5,000. You know, people have been saying that ever since February. There's no way Bitcoin could go to 10,000. It breaks 10,000. There's no way Bitcoin could go 9,000. It goes to 9,000. There's no way it could go to 8,000. It go to 8,000. So how many times are you going to lie and basically, you know, act like you know it all? Let me explain something to you, folks. We don't control the market. Let me say that again. We don't control the market. We just little guys that participate. The big dogs control the market. So in order to make money consistently, keyword consistently, we have to go along with the rich. So when I'm looking at this right now, I'm looking at this channel right here. We are in this channel, and my first target would be the bottom of the channel, which is around 56, 55. Now, can it go to the back of the channel? Yeah, it can go back of the channel first. Yes. But we have a lot of resistance. We have a resistance right here because this resistance is from this low right here. So when it broke this low, if it comes right back to this low right here, this major low, that's resistance. That's the first resistance line right there. The second resistance line is the swing high, right? The third one is this low right here. And the fourth one is right here. So we have a lot of resistance. Bitcoin has to go and you know, go through. So with this amount of volume, to me, it's going to be very hard because every time Bitcoin sell, the volume is more than buyers. It's more than the buyers. So that tells me that the buyers is not in control. Just think about it for something. If you really, really want something, wouldn't you give it all, your all? So if the buyers really wanted this, if they really wanted to buy this market, they would give it their all. So the volume would be more than the sellers, but it's not. We see it all the time. So it looks like they're trapping people again, and you have to be careful, guys, because I know a lot of people are trying to buy the bottom. You know, you have to be careful. So I'm about to go to the chat room, see what's going on. So let's see what's going on in the chat room. Hey, what's going on, Robert? Can I short in Bitfinex? I don't know. I don't know. I know you can short in either BitMEX or JAFX. So delete the account looking for 5,800 this week. All right. Ken, what's going on? So Ken said that was him a month ago, and until he ran out of money. So basically, Ken is confirming what I'm saying. Because I said I was listening to a YouTuber, and he said that a lot of his subscribers is telling him that they can't buy no more. They can't buy any cryptos no more because they ran out of money. They ran out of money. And be honest with you, I you know, it's just tough to hear stuff like that because they are following YouTubers that don't know what's really going on. You know, they following people that are just straight up rookies when it comes to this game. And it's sad because now they're going to probably lose a lot of money or get stuck for a long time. So let's go to the chat room and see what's going on here. Oh, what's going on, Walmart shop? I bought the course and I took your course. Very information. Okay, thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot. He said he didn't know how to buy high, sell low strategy. Now he now he's no. Okay, that's what's up. Thanks a lot, Walmart shopper. For Robert, you said was the secret Tron news, XRP news, Jack Ma announced. Sound of XRP to me. I don't know. Oh, what's going on, Crypto Inspo? You said, damn, you're streaming so late. I'm short right now, selling 92 at 55. I hear you. So you short, right? Yeah. Okay. So Crypto Inspo is going to step out. He said he will watch my stream later. He's going out to dinner with his girl because he made some profits the other day, so he's going to spend some of his profit money. So Keith said, if you are new here, Big Ben course and learn. He said, buy Big Ben's course and learn how to profit from the bear or the bull market. Thanks a lot, Keith. Businessman said, your course is amazing. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Michael said, happy to find your channel, man. Thanks a lot, Michael. Are you new to my channel, Michael? Paula, what's up? What's up, Paul? All right. So, guys, listen up, guys. Paul, we're going to shout out Paul. Paul said he went through my course. I start short around 12 p.m. I'm up 12K. Your course is wealth. It's worth every cent. Your course wealth more. He says is worth more than 5K. Thank you, Big Ben. Everybody. He said everybody on this chat is a must buy. So shout out to Paul. Matter of fact, Paul, we're gonna hit that ching button for you. All right. That's for Paul. Paul made money today. Shout out to Paul. Congratulations, Paul. So matter of fact, let's get to my let's get this out of the way. Let's get to my we call that my course. Because every live stream I give a 50% discount. So let's get this out of the way so we can go back to the charts. So if you are new to my channel, I give a 50% discount when I go live, and after the live stream it goes right back to the regular price. So the reason why you want to get this course is because I'm showing you how to read the charts. if you knew how to read the charts, then you knew that we are in the bear market, right? And not only that, you would know how to profit from this bear market. If you know, and also bear markets just don't reverse like that. It lasts for at least 1.5 year, or a half a year, one year and a half, or 2 years, or even better. Last time we crashed, last time Bitcoin crashed, it lasts 2 years, and that was in 2013. So most people think that this is going to reverse, and like I said before, bear markets just don't reverse. Every year is going to be different. Last year we had a bull year. This year we have a bear year. That's how the market works. So when you invest in the markets, you have to understand that you can't expect the market to go up every single year. That's just reckless thinking. You can't think like that. A professional never think like that. A professional knows that some years he will have drawdowns. That's just the nature of the game. That's just how the game works. So most people just can't, understand that. Like, every year can't be an up year. So instead of losing money and being depressed, you can take advantage of this. So right now, I will show you how to take advantage of that. I will show you the patterns to use, when to get in, when to get out. 2 weeks ago, I made 15 grand when the market was going down. Last week, my subscribers made, one person made $4,000, another person made $800, another person made $190. And shout out to who was that again? Shout out to Paul. Paul just bought my course. I don't know if he bought it last week. Paul bought my course, and basically, let me read his comment again. I went through your course and I just short around 12 p.m. Eastern time. I'm up $2K. I'm giving you guys this course for $110. I told you that I can charge $400, $500 easy for this course. I told you that, guys, but I'm trying to let a lot of people, understand how the market works. I know a lot of people don't have $400 or $500, but basically he quadrupled his money, his investment, his 110 investment, and now he's up $2,000. So let me give him the cha-ching button again. Let's get Paul the cha-ching button. So shout out to Paul. Let me copy and paste this link to the chat room. I'm gonna copy and paste that link to the chat room. So whoever want to take advantage of that right now on the live stream, because as soon as I get off, that's it. It's going right back up an hour from there. So if you want to take advantage of that, learn how to make money, because this market is weak. I told you that. The volume, look at the volume. This is the buyers, right? And this is the sellers. The buyers are weaker. This is not real buyers right here. This is not real buyers. So don't expect the market to reverse. So let's go back to the chat room. And also, if you are a person that's working a 9 to 5, you can still do this. It has nothing to do with day trading. You can swing trade. We talking about swing trading in a thing. And if you are from United States, you can actually still do it. You don't need 5K to open an account. You can open an account with $50. And the beauty of this course is I will show you how to make money in a bull and a bear market, right? So that's the beauty of this. Only course on the market like this. So let's go to the questions. I mean, to the chat room. So, window shop. If I had, I'm reading these comments, guys. Just give me a second. MK says, stop listening to these YouTubers, man. Yeah, these YouTubers will literally make you broke. Businessman said, definitely his course is worth $400. Thanks a lot, businessman. I'm reading the comments, guys, so just give me a second. Crypto inspo. Correction. I hear you. Crypto inspo. Walmart shopper. Normally people think the opposite. Buy low, sell high. Don't get it. Buy high, sell low strategy. Exactly. People think buy low, sell high. Yep, exactly. MK, when you short, you are going against the crypto. You are going against being broke. Facts. I know, right? Crypto Inspo. I know. I thought you was at dinner, Crypto Inspo. MK said Ben is like the Suge Knight of crypto. Yeah, you crazy. You crazy. Oh man, what's going on, Kevin? So should not buy the dip to reposition. So Sean, are you new to my channel? If you're new to my channel, Sean, then most likely you don't know that this is the bear market. So guys, if you're looking at this right now, you know it doesn't mean that the market will go down, but we are seeing sellers coming in. So be careful. All you guys that's trying to time the bottom, be careful. But because a lot of people trying to time the bottom and they're losing a lot of money. So be careful. Sellers is coming in, and a lot of my students is trying to make money right now. So be careful. So yeah, I hear you, Robert. Thanks a lot, Robert. Thanks a lot, Robert. So businessman said one YouTuber thinks Bitcoin could reach 30K soon. Oh, that's funny, man. That is super funny. Some of these guys think that Bitcoin can actually reach 30K soon. Right? And it took like almost 2 months for Bitcoin to go to 10 all the way to 6. So that's like a $4,000 difference. So and it took them 2 months. So we have what, 5 more months later. So you think this thing can go to 30K? And that's just like impossible, because it's going to take a long time to go up to 30K. But right now the market is down, so there's no buyers. So I don't see no up movement right now. I don't even see 10K. I'm looking at these comments, guys. So hey, Carlos said, hey Ben, how long have you been studying the charts and trading? So I've been studying the charts for going on, August would be 11 years. So basically you might as well say 11 years I've been studying the charts, and this is all I do. During the day I trade the futures market. Right now I'm trading crude oil, and also I do crypto too, swing trade it. So Robert said, how do I buy your course? Robert, I copy and paste the link. So if you don't see it, I'm gonna copy and paste the link again. All right, so I'm gonna copy and paste the link, Robert, to the chat room. And once you go through this, it go through PayPal, so everything is legit. And if you want to pay through crypto, you gotta email me, but you can do everything on the site. So let's go back to the chat room. Hey, what's going on, Rizzo? Sean said, I think Bitcoin will hit 50K. I think you joking around, Sean. I think you're not serious. 50K when? Soon? Exactly, Copeland. Ran out of money sounds like 9 to 5. One income stream problem. Oh man, that's funny. So MD said, "What are the indicators of a trend reversal? Volume. Um, that's one indicator. That's one indicator. That's one of the main indicators. Yes. So basically, um, when I see, basically what I want to see, when this market is trying to reverse, what I want to see is at least 11 to 12 billion minimum. Let's go back to let's go to January when it was crazy. Right? January, we got 10 billion, we got 16, we got 16, 21, 20, 23, 18. These are the big dogs right here, right? Now, when you see stuff like this means that nobody's really participating. So I need to see at least 10, 11, 12 billion dollars. That tells me that the big buyers are in the market. Right now, it tells me nobody's in the market. Just regular movement. So let's go to the to chat room. So any media player or software recommend for your course on the iMac? I think any it's an MP4 file, so I don't use I don't use Mac, so I'm quite sure whatever video player Mac has, it will play through. Yeah, shout out to Paul, man. Yeah, I know. You said the stock market has been in a bull market for 7-8 years. Yeah, I know about that. You said, does this mean we will see 7 years of a bear market? This is based on what you are saying. I never said that. I never said we will see a bear market for 7-8 years. I'm saying that every year can't be a bull market. But what I will say is a possibility that this market, this bear market, will last a long time. Because based on past data, this is was it 2013? The bear market pretty much lasts for 5 years. So it took 2 years to for the bottom to create a bottom and start to go up. It took 2 years for that. And then it took another 3 years for the market to go back to the highs. So basically it took 5 years to recover. And that's Bitcoin. So the market could do whatever it wants to do. So Ben said, been watching this bullshit. People shouting it's over. Needed someone to make sense. All right, that's what's up, Tim. So you said if BTC falls below 1 billion, it's danger of be delisted off of futures. They don't care. The futures guys made their money already. Robert, short selling right now. I just JavaX. That's it. You could probably use BitMEX, but if you live in the United States, you probably have to use something else, because I don't think they accept that. I know some people use VPN to get around that. So Ken said, I blew 2 accounts. This is great information. Thanks a lot, Ken. So I'm guessing you blew 2 accounts. Maybe you was buying the dips. So I'm glad that you are learning from your mistakes. So Robert said, just bought your course. Can't wait, man. Shout out to Robert. Shout out to Robert. He just bought the course. He just bought this course. He took advantage of this course. So shout out to him, man. I appreciate it, Robert. Appreciate you supporting the channel, because that's what it's all about. I'd rather give guys a quality product that can actually put money in your pocket versus me reviewing ICOs. That's most likely 99.9% of these ICOs are garbage, and you're gonna lose money. So that's how most of these YouTubers in the crypto world is making their money, reviewing these ICOs. So I'm glad that you supporting the channel, and just make sure you study. That's all. So shout out to Robert. So Keith said you won't regret it, Robert. So Javier said, I'm listening to you on the way to dinner. All right, that's what's up. So you said your wife would probably do the trading in your house. She's a stay-at-home mom. Okay, that's what's up, Robert. So Robert, your wife is into crypto too? That's what's up, man. It's hard to find you know, a female, you know, your girl or your wife doing the same thing that you're doing. That's what's up, man. Yeah, you're right, MD. MD, a lot of these YouTubers pretty much have their whole what you call that, bank account in this crypto world, because they don't understand the cycles of the market. So Abel said these markets are heavily manipulated. This triple bottom is fake. Breakout. Exactly. You know how many times they were screaming triple bottom, right? So I'm reading these comments, guys. So just give me a second. So somebody said, what I think about Tether. I don't trust Tether at all. I think Tether is hiding something. I think Tether is hiding something, and maybe eventually it will come to the light. But I don't trust Tether at all. They claim that somebody looked at their books, but it wasn't a real audit. You know, so I don't trust these guys. So I'm reading the comments. And like I said before, these guys out here are buying these lows, and they don't understand how the market works. You know, the market have pullbacks, and what they're doing is just buying pullbacks, and the market is continuing to go down, and they're losing a lot of money. So they call this a triple bottom, they call this triple bottom, they call that a triple bottom, they call this a triple bottom. Now they're gonna call this a triple bottom. Meanwhile, we're going down in this channel. We're going down in this channel. So be careful out here. If you are new to my channel, be careful out here. This market right now is, this market really don't care about you at all. So they are willing to take your money. So just be careful out here. So me and my subscribers, we are looking for round two. Round two. So we can actually make this money.
Round 2. Fight.
Round 2, fight. We looking for that round 2 so we can make that ching ching. Right? Make this money while the market's going down. So just be careful. Whoever buying these dips, just be careful out here. Because it's the same concept of somebody shorting this bull rally. Imagine somebody shorting this, right? They trying to short every time it pulls back. They trying to short this. They will lose pretty much everything they got in their bank account. They'll lose everything. And this is what's happening right now. People don't understand that this is a bear market and they buying every dip, and they are losing every time they buy the dip. It's the same concept. People don't understand that we have bear markets, and bear markets don't last only 6-7 months. It lasts for years. And people don't understand how much these coins that's in the crypto world, how much this stuff matters. These scams and these coins that are just useless, they got to disappear. They have to disappear. And I'm surprised that most YouTubers, or pretty much no YouTuber that I know of, is not really talking about that. These coins, a lot of these coins are not about anything. They're not doing anything. They just have a decent white paper, you know, but they're not doing anything. They don't have a real business. So most of these coins have to go down the drain. And in order for these guys to disappear, the market has to continue to go down. That's the only way these guys is going to disappear. Because if the market shoot up and go to 50K, these guys are surviving. And the government knows that, so that's why they're cracking down right now. You're seeing that right now. The government is cracking down, and they're saying, "Hey, man, these guys are scamming people. These guys don't really have nothing going on." So that's what you're seeing right now. A whole bunch of people either trying to get out crypto, leaving crypto, selling it, because they know that the government is coming in, shutting it down. So you have to understand that these bad coins that we got, these bad coins is basically like a disease. So in order for crypto to correct itself, and in order for the market to, you know, get back to normal, the bad coins have to disappear. The disease, that's the disease. The disease has to disappear, so everything could, you know, become normal again, so we can actually have a decent market. So there's a lot of disease in the crypto world right now. So that's why you're seeing this market going down. That's one of the reasons. I'm not going to say that's the main reason. There's multiple reasons why this market is going down. But that's just one of the main reasons why. Okay. And like most people, like I said, most people are not talking about that. They just want to get you to watch their video. So they will say, hey, man, Litecoin is about to moon to 1,000. So you can click on their video so they get some views. So let's go to the chat room. So Walmart shopper said you hear something squeaking. I'm reading these comments, guys, so give me a second. All my about the information in big, all the information is in bin course. I was a noob, now just like everyone else. Thanks a lot, Keith. Shout out to Keith. Paul says some YouTuber said Bitcoin will reach 50K. I hear you, man. And for the people that are new to my channel, don't get it twisted. I'm not a a bear, like a full-time bear. I like crypto too, because one of my subscribers asked me the other day, Ben, how come you all of a sudden turn bearish? I didn't all of a sudden turn bearish. The market turned bearish. I'm just following the market. I didn't turn bearish at all. I'm a full-time professional, so I have to go along with the market in order to make money consistently. So like I said, guys, even if we go up from here, we have resistance right here, we have resistance right here, and we have a lot of resistance right here. So the way I'm looking at this, I don't think the market wants to go back to 300 billion with the market cap. So we'll see. So this whole dip right here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 winners right here, 4 winners. So let's see if this one works out. If it doesn't work out, you can't win them all. You have to understand you can't win them all. We had like 4 winners back to back, so we'll see if this one works out. Because I know a lot of people are short right now. So Tronex says big buyers don't buy much through exchanges. They do over-the-counter trades, and that volume isn't available on the charts as far as I know. That is not true. I understand what you're saying, and I understand that a lot of people, a lot of YouTubers, talk about the OTC, over the counter, which it is. The big buyers, they buy over the counter, but that doesn't mean that it won't reflect the volume. So the reason why I said that's not true is because back in January, you wouldn't see the volume be that high, right? So let's go back to January. And let's look at this. This is how I know that's not true. We got 10 billion, we got 16 billion, 16 billion, 21 billion, 23 billion, 18 billion. Let me tell you something. Retailers don't have that type of money. I don't care how many people invested in crypto around the world. We don't have that type of money. So that's big dogs. Yes, JAVX. Yes, you could use JAVX 911. I'm looking at the comments, so give me a second. You said, Paul said the bear market is around the corner on the stock market if you want to get paid. For real. That stock market is pumped up. Oh my gosh. There's no way the stock market is going to continue to go up like that. There's no way. It's coming. $45 said, I need a women like that. I know, right? I need a woman to trade with me. For real, man. I feel you. So, I'm trying to pronounce his name. Choinex. Choinex said, Goldman Sachs bought a crypto exchange. I don't see this bear market playing out for long. This market will push forward once BTC is listed on a real stock exchange. So, Chonex, number one, let me explain something to you. When it comes to news, I don't believe anything. Yes, the news said Goldman Sachs is either investing in the cryptocurrency exchange or buying a cryptocurrency desk or whatever they're doing. I don't believe everything I read. If you understand how things work, then you will question everything. If you understand how the rich work, then you know that the rich will say anything to make you or give you hope. So I don't care what Goldman Sachs said. I don't believe it. Or they could be lying, and that's it. That's the you know, that's all I have to say with that. I don't believe everything I read in the news. The news is controlled by the rich, and I don't, you know, the rich. If you know anything about the rich, they will take your money, and this is why a lot of people are basically losing a lot of money now, because you have guys like Charlie Lee talking about he see Bitcoin going to 50K by the end of this year. You had the CEO from, I think, BitMEX saying he see Bitcoin go at 50K. Then you got people like John McAfee talking about Bitcoin $1 million, whatever year he's talking about. So you have these rich people that are working together that will give you information or give you hope just to gas you up, just to make you happy. And most people fall for that stuff. I've been in this game too long to fall for that news. This is why when you see good news come out, you ever seen good news come out and the market still sell off? That's because they are very good at doing the opposite of whatever you're trying to do. So whatever you're thinking, they're doing the opposite. They are very good at that. So I don't care what Goldman Sachs is talking about. I don't care how many news articles come out talking about the big dogs is about to come in and drop billions of dollars in the crypto world. I don't care about none of that stuff. That's just news. That's just words on a piece of paper. You know what I care about? I care about this, the numbers. The numbers is telling me everything. This is how I make my money. I've been doing this 10 years plus. This is how I make my money. I make my money from the numbers. Numbers don't lie. The chart don't lie. The chart is numbers, right? So the chart is telling me that this market is weak. Every time buyers step in, they get smacked by the sellers. The sellers smack them, right? And this is what the sellers are saying.
Finish him.
That's what the sellers is doing, right? So they smacking them around, and basically,
get over here.
That's what they doing to the buyers. They smacking the buyers and they taking their money. So I don't care what the news say. All I care is what the chart is telling me and what the numbers is telling me. They will lie to you in front of your face without a smile. They will lie with a straight face. I don't believe anything the rich say. I don't believe at all. So that's how I think about that. All right. So let's go back to the news. I mean, to the chat. Yo, Windows Shopper said all the YouTubers keep saying it's the bottom and it's going up. He said the only thing that's the bottom is their money. Ah, man, that's funny. You want in the deleted count said he wanted in that round 2. You want that round 2? Let's see if I get that round 2. Where's that round 2 at?
Round 2. Fight.
Yeah, we want that round 2, man. We want that round 2 money. So Glenn said BTC is regulated now. No, it's not regulated. So Robert said, do I use heavy margin? It all depends, Robert. Every trade is different. The last trade I did because I kind of felt that we was going to hit the bottom. But if you are new to this, you don't have to use heavy margin, you know? You don't have to use heavy margin, you know? I hear you, Robert. So, Robert, you said BTC to 3K? What's going on, crypto man? You made it. That's what's up. So, Robert, you said BTC at 3K. Yeah, eventually, I believe, in my opinion. But it's going to take time. It's not going to just shoot down. You know, it's not going to just go boom, 3K. Nah. Unless Tether comes out with some craziness, maybe if Tether goes down the drain, then maybe we shoot down real quick. But for the most part, it's going to take its time. You know, we're going to hit 50, probably 55, 56. We're going to keep on bouncing, you know. So every time the market bounce, people are going to think it's the bottom, and they're going to buy more, and they get trapped. So before it hits 4,000 or 3,000, we're going to see pullbacks, and it's going to probably be a crazy pullback, right? We might one of these pullbacks is going to be probably a long pullback to the point where people are going to think the market is going to reverse. So guys, do you you hear me clear on the mic, right? Though you hear me clear on the mic?